Reaper and Cubase are two powerful digital audio workstations with different priorities. Cubase provides advanced features and a polished workflow tailored for professional studios and composers. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both. Reaper is a highly customizable digital audio workstation known for its efficiency and affordability. It operates on a lightweight engine that runs smoothly on most computers, making it accessible for users with varying hardware setups. Reaper's workflow centers around flexibility, allowing users to tailor the interface, shortcuts, and toolsets to their preferences. It supports a wide range of plugins and formats. Reaper excels in recording, editing, and mixing with a strong focus on performance optimization. Its interface is less polished than some competitors, which may present a learning curve for beginners. It also lacks some advanced composition and scoring features found in more specialized software. It offers a polished interface and a rich set of tools for MIDI sequencing, audio editing, mixing, and mastering. Cubase stands out with its integrated scoring editor, extensive virtual instruments, and advanced automation features, making it ideal for complex compositions and detailed arrangements. Its workflow is streamlined to support large projects and collaborative environments with strong support for third-party plugins and hardware integration. Cubase demands more system resources but delivers stability and depth for demanding sessions. The learning curve can be steep for newcomers due to its broad feature set. Key comparison points. Customization. Reaper is highly customizable with user-defined shortcuts and toolsets. Cubase offers limited customization but a polished, refined workflow. Resource usage. Reaper is lightweight and runs efficiently on modest hardware. Cubase requires more system resources. Composition tools. Reaper lacks advanced scoring and composition features. Pricing. Reaper is affordable with a fully featured trial. Cubase has multiple tiers with higher pricing for professional versions. Learning curve. Reaper has a less polished interface but deep customization options. Cubase has a steep learning curve due to its extensive feature set. Choose Reaper if you want an affordable, highly customizable DAW that runs efficiently on modest hardware and adapts to your unique production style. It is best suited for home studios and budget-conscious creatives. And stability. Choose Cubase if you need an all-in-one DAW with advanced composition tools and a polished workflow. It is best suited for professional studios, film scorers, and serious musicians who demand comprehensive features and stability. Conclusion. Reaper shines in flexibility and low cost, making it perfect for home studios and users who want full control over customization. Cubase excels in feature depth and professional polish, supporting complex compositions with built-in scoring and advanced MIDI tools. The choice depends on whether you prioritize speed and adaptability or a robust, all-encompassing platform.